it's me, Mahreen from Creative Chefs Club, and today I'll be showing you all how to make a chicken mayo sandwich. This is so yummy and so delicious, and my mom always makes this for me for lunch. So without further ado, let's get on to the ingredients. So for the ingredients for this recipe, you'll be needing brioche buns. You can use brioche bread or any type of bread you prefer. You'll also need finely chopped jalapeno and lettuce, some oregano, some salt, some pepper, some mayo, and obviously some chicken. By the way, you'll be needing boiled and shredded chicken. Now let's put it all together. So firstly, we're going to be adding our 1 cup of shredded chicken. So now we'll be putting in our 1/2 cup of lettuce. And now we'll be putting in our 1 jalapeno. So now you'll have to put a sprinkle of salt. Now you'll be putting in a 1/2 teaspoon of your pepper and oregano. So now you'll be putting in 6 tablespoons of mayo. Let's mix it all together. To put a thick layer of our chicken mayo filling in our bread. Our chicken mayo sandwiches are ready, and these are perfect for snacks, parties, lunches, and they're super good as well. And like my mom always says, presentation is as important as it tastes. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to follow us on our social media handles. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.